it's another little adventure. And you've got to make sure that life is a wondrous adventure, not a dull experience. And experiencing things like this is quite magical. And although they might not be living in luxury, what they get, stuff like this, I mean, you just total nature at its best. It really is quite amazing. And here's some locals. Give us a wave. These guys are walking around. Can you show us what's in here? They walk around with these things here, and what they do, they keep their hands warm. It's amazing. It's incredible. So they walk around because it's so cold here. You can't believe how cold it is. And they just walk around with it under there, and they keep their hands warm. Really is super cool stuff. They've got a solution for everything out here. Thank you. And then look, it just goes under. Show how it goes under. And that's it. They now walk around. And they got warm hands. Genius. Absolute genius. Thank you. Love it. So now we're going to jump in the lake. Why are we going to jump in the lake? So you put it around here, they're all keeping warm. But the reason we're going to jump in the lake is, one, we want that negative charge around the whole body, and we're going to feel so refreshed when we jump in. It's going to be such a wake-up call. It's going to be amazing. So let's do it. We've got a boat here with our fresh fruits and vegetables. That's lunch. That's proper lunch. Look at this, all fresh food. Good food. Yeah.
Very good.
Very good food. Food that nature's made, and now nature's going to charge us up. Check everywhere. It's cold.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. God damn, it's so hot. It's so hot. We're going for a swim.
Warm, man.
Right, you ready? I'm going.
Jump! Jump!
Let's go!
That's amazing. It's quite nice, huh? It's just frozen, that's all. Actually, now you actually don't feel cold. CD, yeah?
Yeah. That's how you get supercharged instantly.
Woohoo!